is cold. Brr, brr, brr. People wear jackets, hats, and fur. Were February short and sweet? People share chocolates, yum to eat. March brings flowers, green and bright. People sneeze, achoo, all day and night. April comes with rain and sun. People jump in puddles, splashy fun. May is warm with sunny sky. People eat mangoes and say, oh my! June says summer is here to stay. People lick ice creams every day. July is hot, the sun is strong. People sit under fans all day long. August shines with sunny cheer. People plan trips with friends and dear. September rings the school bell loud. People wake early, not so proud. October brings a cool reminds breeze. People wear sweaters, feel at ease. November feels calm and slow. People sip tea and talk real low. December comes with light so bright. People pray, hug, and sleep all night. 12 funny months, one happy year. Laugh, learn, play, spread lots of cheer.